Primus LiTech small frying pan is an excellent frying pan for camping. So let's open it up. When you get it, it will come in some protective plastic wrap. This is specifically to protect the BPA-free non-stick interior, to not scratch that as you get it delivered. It is a solid interior, great for anything you want to cook, omelets, pancakes, anything like that. It also is deep enough that you could boil water in it and use it for multi-purposes. It has these great handles with heat protectant on them so you can hold them away from the fire, and they fold around it when not in use. So that part is a really great feature. The whole thing is very well built, very sturdy. It comes with a bag. The bag is exceptionally thick and protective. Again, it will protect the interior of this pan and will also help it dry when not in use. And there you go, the Primus LiTech small frying pan.